So here we are, Prue, Noosa Beach, having a little swim. We should go and have some champagne.
Oh, definitely true.
Look
we
at those
should.
people. Maybe they should stop eating some pizza.
They
Start doing
rather
more.
should.
Yes,
And
yes.
he should put a hat on, True.
Yes.
Because I think he's going to get burned.
Prue, look at the side they've got on there. What is going on?
I think they've been on pop.
Oh, I think they might have. They may have found their love of pizza
I
together.
think so.
Yes. Oh, look at her little legs. Oh, they look so beautiful.
They do.
Oh, there's some seagulls. Prue, we better not get any fish and chips. I'll steal our fish and chips. We better. Oh, we'll have to get some snapper. Some snapper, Prue.
True. Snapper, yeah.
Little Pippa, she's, look at her over there. She's made it to land.
Bit worse for wear.
Yeah. We're just going to get on our yacht now. Have some champagne, I think, as well.
So good, True. What a lot.
What about the people that are doing nothing today, that are working?
Silly girls,
girls.
people.
And we're just, on holidays again. The shop will run itself. We've got some little red ants running around doing our work for us. We don't have to worry about it today.
True. We're living the dream.
We are, Prue.
So
we should go to Italy next. Look at that.
To the Eiffel.
To the Eiffel.
We could get some giftware from the Eiffel.
We could sell it in our
Sell
shop.
it our shop.
Oh, Prue, look at that lady over there. Does she need saving, do you think?
She might be whale, babe.
Yeah, she might be some orca. Orca's going to come. Oh, no, she's actually fishing. She better not be eating our fish for dinner tonight.
Better not catch snapper.
No, snapper.